In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very beautiful and colorful clay poppy flower necklace and decorate it with thread beads. Hi, I'm Shabori from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Project I have used air dry clay of the brand Fevicryl Molded. I have taken equal quantity of both the resin base and the hardener and mixed them in order to form a white and uniform mixture or a dough. We will take a cardboard slightly rectangular shaped and made 3 holes in this manner, and we took small quantity of clay and spreaded that on top of the cardboard in this manner uniformly. We will cover the entire cardboard with a layer of clay. And when it is ready, we will take little quantity of water in the fingertip and just smoothen the surface of the clay in this manner. Just make the surface and the edges smooth. And then we will make 3 holes in this manner using some pointed object on the surface of the clay. In the lower through the lower hole we will be passing our oxidized charm, and through the holes on the top portion we will be passing our cords. Okay, now we will take small quantity of clay and spread it with our finger in this manner and give it a petal like shape. Slightly broaden it and fold it at the top portion in this manner. Similarly, we will make another petal of the poppy flower. These are slightly wide and flattened, and place it in this manner. We will place the third petal on the top of the lower two as I'm going to show you. Slightly fold the petal for the realistic effect. We will take clay tools and just press the central portion in this manner and slightly fold the top portion, that is the edges of the petal. We will now put the last petal in its position like this and slightly press the central portion. Fold the top edge in this manner and the first flower is ready. Just a basic poppy flower. Similarly, we will be making another flower here. There is no definite shape for the petal, just make a flattened oval shape. The shape is not completely oval, it is slightly irregular shaped, okay, in this manner. As earlier, we will flatten the central portion with our clay tool, and our second poppy flower is also ready. Hold the edges of the petal. Now we will be making small branches, so take small portion of the clay and slightly roll it out into a rope like shape in this manner. We will place the branch in like this using the clay tool. In the same manner we will place a long branch. The decoration is based on your wish, how you want to decorate your necklace, how you want to place the branches and all. Slightly flatten the branch with clay tool or just your finger. We will place 3 to 4 buds at the edge of the branch in this manner. And now we will be making small leaves, so slightly flatten it and give it a leaf like shape. place it and then just give the leaf impression using the clay tool in this manner. Another leaf and give it a leaf-like impression, and at the end we will place another leaf. Okay, now decorate it as you like. So this is the last leaf and my clay portion is done. We will allow our clay work to dry for at least 3 to 4 hours so that it hardens up completely, and when it has hardened up, just start painting on top of it. At first we will paint it completely white using the white colored acrylic paint. The white colored acrylic paint will act as the primer. And when the white color has dried up, we will start painting on our work based on our imagination. We will paint it and give it proper shading and detailings. And I will meet you at the end of our painting. Finally, our painting is done. We will let it dry, and when it has dried up completely, we will add a layer of wood gloss on top of it for the glossy effect and color protect it. I have used the Wood Shine Wood Gloss of the brand Dendrite. Then at the lower portion I will be attaching a beautiful charm. So for that we will take a jump ring and pass it through the hole. With the help of a plier, and then pass the charm through the jump ring. Just pass the jump ring through the hole of the charm like this, and then close the jump ring using the pliers. The locket portion is ready. We will now take a cord. I have prepared the cord using the crochet technique. I have crocheted chains using 2 DMC thread. We will pass the cord through the holes at the top portion of the locket and then decorate it with the thread beads. I prepared the thread beads and made the tutorial on these two in my old videos, so check them out. And our beautiful clay poppy flower necklace is ready. It is beautiful, gorgeous, glossy and yet stylish. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button and comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.